Okay, and we're going to make a woven bottle vase using some carrier bags or some bin bags. So if I just move my camera down so you can see what's on my desk, this is the, there we go, the equipment we're going to need this morning. So a pair of scissors, bit of sellotape, empty, clean, washed up pop bottle, and lots of bits of carrier bag or bin bags, preferably different colours. You could do it all black if you wanted to, cut into some strips. So if you do that beforehand, okay, with a pair of scissors. So the first thing we're going to do is chop the top off our pop bottle. So decide how big you would like your vase to be. If you squish it at one corner, you should then be able to make a little cut and poke your scissors in and carefully put around the top of your bottle. So we've already got what's going to be a plastic container. Okay. Now, we need to cut some vertical lines into our plastic container, and we need an odd number. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut either side. And then I'm going to try and divide, just using a marker pen, so that I've got an even number, sorry, an odd number rather, either side. So I'm going to try and go for 4 on this side, 5 on this side. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, 4 on that side maybe, and then I'll try and get 5 on this side. I'll make them a little bit thinner on this side. So I've got 9 altogether. There we go. So if we carefully cut with our scissors now all the way down, so we need an odd number. Right, it's not going to work properly if you've got an even number, and you'll see why in a moment. So don't go all the way down to the bottom of the bottle, because this bottom bit's actually quite thick and quite tricky to cut. There we go. So just check you've got the odd number of vertical slots in your bottle. Okay, so you're going to take a piece of your carrier bag strip, and with a piece of sellotape, you're just going to tuck a little bit around there, or you can do it, actually might be easier for you guys if you pop it underneath one of the slots, look, fold it over, and then add a little bit of sellotape, okay, to take that in place. Now weaving is really easy. You may have done this before, okay, you may have done it on the loom with some wool. So you can see I've started, this one goes under the plastic vertical strut, this one goes over it, that one goes under, and all you do is you work your way around the bottle, going over one and under the other, so it alternates, and keep your plastic bag, try not to pull it too tight, otherwise your vertical bits of your bottle will start to squish inwards, and work your way around your bottle. So you can see now when I get back to this one that I started with an under and now I'm going to an over. So it alternates all the time. So again, I've gone over the first time, this time I'm going under. So I'm going to do a couple of rows of red, and then I might change my colour. So I'll go back to the beginning again. Actually, let's go round again. The red looks quite nice. Carrier bags are a little bit tricky to get hold of, particularly colourful ones. I'm thinking if, you know, mum and dad shop at Sainsbury's maybe, then they might pick up some orange plastic bags. Superdrug ones are pink, Marks and Spencer's ones are green. So see what you've got. Might take you a few weeks to save a few. Okay, but you can buy bin bags in lots of different colours. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just trim that. And again, with a little piece of tape, I'm going to secure that one underneath there, but I'm then going to start with a different colour. So let's go with a bit of brown and put a bit of tape over both of those pieces on the inside. So we're not going to see it eventually, just to stop them moving, and then carry on. So over, under, over, under, And make sure you squish the plastic bags down, okay, so it covers all the bits of the plastic bottle. Right, so you get a nice bold piece of colour on your vase, and you could use this for anything really. Obviously it wouldn't hold a liquid because of the slots in the bottle, but you could use it as a desk tidy. You could use it as one of those pots in the kitchen where mum and dad empty their pockets. Everybody has one of those pots. It's full of change, keys, paper clips, all sorts of random things. Oh, till receipts, they're always in our pockets too. So it is a little bit fiddly, okay, but keep going with it. And like I said, you can do alternate stripes, so you could do one stripe of red and then you could change, all right, or you could do slightly thicker stripes. If you want to do it all in one colour, you can do. So it's not a massively time-consuming activity. You've just got to make sure that you scrunch your plastic bag down and you don't pull too tight so that your pieces of bottle start to do this. Okay, so I'll keep going. I'll let you guys keep going and we'll have a look what it looks like at the end. So when you reach the top of your pop bottle, okay, leave about 1 centimetre of pop bottle left. Now we're going to fold these pieces over and secure them with a bit of tape, okay, just because they are a little bit spiky and we don't want bits of our bag to start coming off. So hopefully yours might look a little bit more colourful than mine, but it looks something like that. All we're going to do then is just fold over, okay, and just give it a nice firm crease, a little piece of sellotape on the inside. Okay, we're just going to fold the edges of the pop bottle over so that that looks nice and neat and we don't have that sharp sort of spiky edge. If we do that all the way round, that will stop our woven pieces coming off and also just give it a nice finish. So shall we have a go at that bit? It's a little bit fiddly. I don't know about you, but I'm going to use mine to tidy my desk. Oops. There we go, look, the perfect pen top for any art teacher and her messy desk.